Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is the 50th anniversary being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name's Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to take you through the 320 Sundancer Sea Ray. This boat is powered with twin Mercury engines, inboard outboard. As we enter the boat, this beautiful L-shaped seating with storage underneath and a nice teak table. We do have an electric grill, refrigeration system, and a sink. We also have this sure shade to protect you from the sun. A nice skylight. The helm seat, two captain's seats, a joystick, and a beautiful dash with Simrad electronics. There's also a nice cabin. As we move forward to the boat, this is the hybrid version of the 320 Sundancer. It's your cabin, it's your bow rider, beautiful seating, stereo system, anchor windlass, spotlight. For more information on this beautiful 320 Sundancer Sea Ray, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599.